Good morning, everyone. Hope you're hungry for dessert for breakfast.
That's right.
Because that's what we're making today.
Okay.
Bread pudding with whiskey cream sauce.
What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on. Welcome to our camp. This is Camp Cleaver. My name is Don Cleaver. This is my daughter Casey.
Hi.
We're up here in the high mountains of Rocky Mountains in Colorado, about 10,000 feet, so high altitude. We're also in a fire band, so any baking we do, we're doing it in a Dutch oven, but we can't use the charcoal that we normally would put on top to bake down. So we have other methods that we're trying, and they seem to be working pretty good. All right, today we're doing a bread pudding with whiskey cream sauce. And this is Kent Rollins. I've followed a lot of Kent Rollins recipes. I'm actually doing on a quest to do every recipe in his book while we're out here camping. So far they've been turning out really, really good. So what he does is he adds a secret recipe in there, and you'll see what that is in a minute. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is mix up our milk, sugar, eggs,
And butter?
and then slowly whisk in the butter after we do this. So we need 3 eggs and 2 cups of milk.
Butter. And 1.5 cups of sugar.
And it triumphed. Get it? You triumphed.
There we go.
All right.
I'm going to put it down.
All right.
Okay, so whisk that together until the eggs are smooth, or until it's all smooth.
All right, and then whisk in our butter. Okay.
We also need 1 teaspoon vanilla in there, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. So if you want to do the nutmeg and the cinnamon first. It says or more to taste, so you can put a little bit more.
Oh,
There's some.
there we go. That was too much.
And then 1 teaspoon vanilla. All right. Now whisk all of that together.
Okay. And then we start adding our buns, right?
Yep. So we need 10 hamburger buns.
That's the secret recipe. Instead of using stale bread, we're using hamburger buns. You can see what does it is these holes in here really make the difference. So
Oh.
just do, that's 8 so far, or 4?
4. So we need 10. So this will be 8.
8. Do 2 more, and then we'll start mixing this together. Get it all
Wet.
wet. Yeah,
This is 8.
I know.
Oh.
Start getting it wet.
Okay.
And so you just kind of push it in. You don't really want to mash it because you don't want to mash all the bread up, but you make sure everything is coated.
Nice and wet. Hey, Willie. Now we're gonna put this all in your.
Cast Dutch oven. Push some of those drier ones down to the bottom so they can soak up a little bit.
To bake that for 45 minutes.
Okay. Generous coat of spray. All right. Put our bread pudding in.
And then we'll make the whiskey cream sauce after.
So we cover, turn on our propane. And then we put on our
Cover.
Dutch oven dome. This is what I use in lieu of the charcoals on the lid. All right. And
All right, we're gonna let this cook for 45 minutes,
Yep.
but he said to
check it.
check it and err on the side of not baking it because it's a pudding.
Yes.
So you don't want to bake it all the way through like you would a cake. So we're
Yep.
gonna check it probably after 35 minutes.
Yep. All right. We'll see you then. Okay, we're back. We're going to check our bread pudding with whiskey cream sauce. Check our bread pudding, and then we're going to start making our sauce. So let's see how that's looking here. Get my handle. Oh man, that's looking good. Separating good from the sides. Nice and spongy. Oh, that looks really good. All right, we're going to turn the heat off of this. And let's make our sauce that goes on top of that.
Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so in a saucepan,
Okay.
we're going to combine 1 cup of sugar,
Okay.
all right, 1 stick of butter melted,
Butter melted.
2 cups heavy cream, and then half a cup of whiskey, or less. It says 1/4 to a half cup.
All right. And we're using the good stuff.
Crown Royal. All right, so we're gonna bring that to a boil and boil for 1 minute, and then drizzle on top.
Let's see what we're doing. All right. Stir that up good. It's spongy. Finger in there a little bit. There you go.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, that looks great. Let's see if the camera can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
If you want a little bit more whiskey or flavor, you boil for a little bit less than a minute.
Oh yeah, because it cooks it out, huh?
Yes. Now we need probably a better spoon.
Yeah, I don't think I'll get far with the slotted spoon.
Okay. Pour just a little bit of this over the top of our.
Ooh.
Okay, give it a try.
Mmm. Oh my god. That was really good. It's like spongy and. Mmm.
Oh.
Oh man.
Once again, Kent Rollins did. He's got some great recipes in his book. He's got his book is The Taste of Cowboy, and we'll have a link below for the book and the recipe on our website.
All right, you guys got to try this one.
Yeah. So once again, if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the little
Notification button, like right here.
Yep. And check our other videos. We got a lot of other recipes that we're trying through the book, and we got a video that kind of talks about our camp setup. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.